And we're getting into the thick of this latest swipe of winter weather, but again, it wouldn't be a wintry system without a few last-minute adjustments. Looks like this morning round's coming in just a bit further south, so anywhere, again, as far south as, say, Highway 50 could be picking up, again, some trace amounts with this initial push of some of that snowfall. And speaking of which, again, those totals have bumped up just a touch as we've gotten into some of the newest data. And again, I'll show you the latest run of FUTURETRACK in just a second. Still looks, though, like it's coming in two different waves. Here's a look at FUTURETRACK, though. As we get you into this morning, again, overspreading the region, some of that snow is, for the most part, north of Highway 50. But again, could see some slippery spots developing as we go throughout the rest of this morning drive. By about lunchtime, though, you notice it kind of backs off, at least some of that snowfall, or where it is snowing in some of our northwesternmost counties. A little more of a break, though, a little wider spread of a break by this afternoon. Maybe a chance to get out and tackle some of those driveways if you like to shovel. Again, you're going to have to do it again, but at least it'll lessen the burden as we get into tomorrow. Here's that little bit more wide-reaching swipe of some snow develops tonight by 9 and 10 o'clock, and then it's with us all the way through the overnight hours, sliding off toward the south tomorrow morning. And I think it's out of here by midday on our Friday. Here's the latest look at Snow Tracker. And again, this morning push is going to just drop a couple of inches in some of our far north and westernmost counties. Brunswick back toward Marshall, you might pick up, say, 2 to 3 inches with this initial surge. But going forward into the overnight hours, that's going to be more for the rest of us as we get into mid-Missouri. And these numbers coming in just a shade a little bit higher, around 3 to 4 inches. That's what we're expecting. Watch what it does to those roadways, though, as we get into this morning. Most of the problem is going to be confined west of Highway 63, north of I-70, and then into tonight. That's where things really go downhill as we get into some of that colder weather building back in and pushing off toward the south and east, closing in on I-44 by tomorrow morning. That may be, again, the one spot in mid-Missouri where we may be staving off some of those problems. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast again. Some cold weather stuck with us all the way through Saturday before warming up on the other side of this weekend.